How to fix Huawei mobile phones won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection will works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then turn on your mobile data. For turning on your mobile data, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your mobile data. After turning on your mobile data, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And then again click on apps and search here messages. And click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory and data, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and updates. And then click on reset and click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.